Hi everyone, today our topic is how to make money from Amazon Marketing 2021. There are 15 steps to making money online with an Amazon affiliate site. One of the easiest and fastest ways to create an additional stream of revenue from online sales is through an Amazon affiliate website. Although it is more than an exception to rule, some affiliates even more six figures income. If you are a full-time online business, you have to monetize in several different ways. While the average person can earn a few hundred to maybe a couple of $1,000, said Brian T. Adamson, an internet income expert and coach based in Leviton, PA. Building your own site is low cost, requires very little effort, and in most cases only takes a day to set up. Launching an affiliate site, however, is just the first step. The challenge is attracting the right traffic that will turn into product sales. Once a consumer click through an Amazon, the best result come from choosing the right Nike. Do not do what everyone else does. Focus on these methods to increase your odds of success. Number 1. Learns basic HTML. Learning hypertext markup language HTML to create web pages and applications is less complicated than it was 10 to 15 years ago. Website platforms like template and that require only the push of a button to activate a website. But you'll need to know how to insert images, create hyperlinks, and format text. If you are unfamiliar with HTML and basic concepts for managing a website, care out time to learn. It will be well worth the outlook of the long run. Number 2. Pick your Nike. Anything that's sold on Amazon, such as electronics, books, music, cosmetics, and kitchen appliances, can be part of your inventory referred for sales commission. However, low ticket items like books will yield only pennies on sale because commission range from 1% to 5%, according to Edmondson. Those who are more successfully as affiliates pursue markets with high volume of buyers are engaged in selling higher tickets in terms on Amazon. He said, select product line with mass consumer demand that you enjoy or have some expertise in some, but be sure that Nike is narrow enough to be distinctive. This Nike could be bands from your city, left-handed, guarantees, music or live dancing, or sales of books written by authors from a certain religion or arts and crafts resources such as breeding, knitting, or poetry. Third one, set up your web hosting. Amazon affiliates can pay next to nothing for web hosting service. For example, Wix offers a free basic blogging service, while Webcom starts from $7.99 monthly. Resources like Online Business Guide have a list of affordable web hosting services. Some require a small monthly fee with unlimited domain names, which means you run service several sites for various Nike on the same hosting packages. Fourth one, choose your domain name. If you are launching a personal brand as an author, expert, or lecturer, building a following using your name as the domain is common, especially among YouTube, Twitter, Instagram influence. Another part is to give the website name that reflect the Nike, such as my best skincare products. My favorite accessories are supplementary for weight filters. Make the name keyword rich, not clever. Think about what search words are avenged to find your website. Be sure to check your name against other sites already in the market. Register your domain name. Fifth one, registering domain name is not costly for one or two sites, but it can add up to for 10 or 20 Nike sites. Save by choosing a lowest cost provider such as SiteGround or GoDaddy. There are also one-on-one, also known as, where our prices start on the low end of the spectrum. $1 for first year with the incremental increases for subsequent years depending on the plan. If you're not technically inclined, register the domain name with your hosting company. GoDaddy offers discount like 12 months of basic managed WordPress for $1 per month, after which the price increases to regular list price. Number 6. Install WordPress. Content marketing is one of the best ways to drive traffic as well as buyers. WordPress, which is a free option, is easy to install and simplifies posting quickly. It's popular for publishing content such as blogs and articles. 7. Make it pretty. Although content is king, design is queen, and it is increasingly important among consumers who want to trust a credible website. One benefit of WordPress is flexible design option. You can customize the sites such as you want with WordPress plugin. If you want to outsource a task, it is easy to fix expertise because of the popularity of the WordPress. WordPress offers a variety of templates which gives you much more freedom and control in the design of your site. Add on an email marketing tool, Close, can capture the names of people that come to your website.